In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify fonts used in any design with Canva. Whether you're a designer or simply curious about the fonts used in a beautiful graphic you stumbled across, being able to identify fonts can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive into the process, starting from the very basics. First, head over to Canva's homepage and ensure you're logged into your account. If you haven't set up your account yet, now is the perfect time to do so. Canva offers a user-friendly interface, making it simple even for beginners to navigate and utilize its tools. Once you're in, direct your attention to the middle of the dashboard. Here, you'll see a search bar, and just below it, there's a small upload icon waiting for you to click. Upon clicking this icon, you'll find an option to upload files. This is your gateway to identifying fonts. Select the option and upload the image from your device that contains the font you're curious about. Once the image is uploaded, you'll notice a preview alongside some editing options. Look to the right and click on Edit Image. Now, focus on the left side of your screen where various editing tools are displayed. Scroll down until you reach a section called Magic Studio. This tool is indeed magical. It helps you grab text directly from images. In Magic Studio, locate the feature named Grab Text. It's a straightforward process, but one that will yield powerful results. When you click on Grab Text, a pop-up window will appear with the option to Open as Design. Go ahead and click this. Sometimes it might take a minute or two for Canva to process the image, especially if the graphics are complex, so a little patience will be needed at this point. After the design opens up, you'll see options regarding how you wish to grab the text. For the purpose of identifying fonts, choose All Text. By doing this, Canva's system will analyze the entire image, attempting to recognize and extract each element of the text and its characteristics. With every click towards grabbing the text, your anticipation grows. Once it's done processing, Canva will generate the fonts used in the image. It's like having your very own font detective right at your fingertips. This tool is not only helpful, but quite impressive, allowing you to understand design elements more deeply. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully identified the fonts used in the design. Whether for work, inspiration, or sheer curiosity, this process can enhance your understanding and utilization of typography in any creative project you embark upon. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!